Okay, low battery, got to make this fast. In a flat file I have, where I have like rock, stone, shells, and what have you from various expeditions, teaching, walks on beaches in different countries and what have you. I found this plastic container marked Israel 2005. I opened it up this morning, and it's like, I'm guessing I must have picked this up on a beach. It's like, it appears to be like dried plants, like seaweed. And so I went to Goodwill this morning, got a small frame. I gotta replace the glass with a piece of plexiglass. I'm gonna put some of that in there, put a backing on it, and I'm gonna attach it, I think kind of like that. So this work is almost done. Well, I thought it was done, but it's going to have this new edition now. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 57, the allegorical sea war monsters and two child victims of the current Hamas, Gaza, Palestinian, Israeli conflict, which has been going on since October 7th. Like almost 3 full months now. War madness. So many children dying in an adult-driven war, which happens all over the world. Okay, to be continued. Thanks, Budgies. I appreciate hearing your chirping and chortling and singing over there. Yes, they just got really quiet.